How to add debit or credit cards to Apple Wallet on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add debit or credit cards to Apple Wallet on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is, of course, open up your wallet. Open up your Apple Wallet. And after you open up your Apple Wallet, there you should see a plus icon on the top right corner. Tap on the plus icon, and after you tap on the plus icon, you will get an option where you can simply scan your card by simply holding it near your device. Now, if you don't want to do that, tap on the add manually option on the bottom, and after you do that, you should be on this page. It will ask you to add your wallet. Now all you have to do is choose your card first. So choose debit or credit card. It's right here, choose debit or credit, and after you choose that, you will be able to again select your card type. Now choose for credit or debit card, and after you choose your credit or debit card, you will again need to add your card details. Now here, type in your name and then your card number. After you type in your name and then your card number, you can then again tap on next, and there the last step is you'll need to add in the expiration date and security code. So simply type in your expiration date and then your security code, and after you do that, tap on the next button on the top right corner, and then you will have added your card to your Apple Wallet, and it's that simple. And that's basically all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.